As you can see, we just split this 30-page PDF into two separate files in seconds. Need to split a PDF file into separate pages or smaller documents? Here's the fastest way to do it for free. First, open your browser and go to ilovepdf.com. Once the website loads, click on the Split PDF tool. Now upload the PDF file you want to split. You can drag and drop the file directly into the page, or click the button to select it from your computer. After the PDF uploads, you'll see different split options. For this example, I'm going to choose the page range option. Just enter the pages you want to keep separated. You can also add multiple ranges if needed. Once everything looks good, click the Split PDF button. Click Download, save the files to your computer, and you're done. As you can see, we just split this 30-page PDF into two separate files in seconds, without installing any software. That's how you split PDF files quickly and easily.